Joseph here from ACAP. So today we're looking at gold, and so this is the daily chart of spot gold. The area that we're taking a look at today is just been marked here, and why it's of interest is because after Friday's strong session low, we saw another session low yesterday that was quickly rejected, and we saw a higher close by buyers, and that lines up with support that's already been in place previously at that 1734.27 area, and that does go back to a previous point of resistance, which is that 1734. 89 down 89 area. So what we're really just trying to gauge today, and this is after this main trend break as well, is if this is going to start to hold up the selling that we've seen recently and possibly set up a new counter trend. Now, we have seen a bit of a failed rally and some selling so far today, but we want to see if sellers do actually have the strength to make another strong move into this area, and if they can they actually hold it? So they're two different things altogether as well. But there's definitely not a buy here or a sell. It's definitely a little bit risky, but we want to see what eventuates out of this. So if we do see another failed move and a close higher, that could signal to us that there is plenty of demand here, and that we could see maybe a new push higher that could end up testing 1758. And if it really got going, maybe breaking back up to the moving average or above it. But first things first, what we really want to see is if who's going to win today's battle or tomorrow's battle as well. Now, do keep in mind that there is US employment data coming out the end of this week. If it was a very hot figure, that could add to inflation worries. It could also continue to put forward and cement some of the comments that were made by Fed Chair Powell on Friday, and just continue to back in the hawkish stance from the Fed. But it is expected to come in lower, so if it did miss, maybe that could also have a reverse effect. But regardless of trying to forecast things based on that, what we really would like to see now is if sellers can break back into this area here, or if they continue to fail and we see a bit more of a support base develop for gold, and if that could then lead to another counter rally. So that's what we're watching at this point. Now, keep in mind that the US dollar at the moment is also really struggling at 109 on the index, so it could also support gold on the short term as well if the dollar does continue to fade out from highs that we saw yesterday and on Friday. So thank you very much for tuning in and watching our analysis video today, and we look forward to your next visit. And please, if you have any comments or if you disagree or want to add anything further to what we've been discussing today on gold, please feel free to drop us a comment. We'd love to hear feedback from viewers and readers. So we wish you all the best for your Tuesday, and good trading, and bye for now.